Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Matthew Ademz. In today's tutorial, I would like to teach us the easiest way to resize your image in Photoshop without losing the quality. Without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see this image here, this is actually in 1080 by 1080 pixel, which is the best size for the social media post. And actually this is a normal image, but this cannot work for what I want to use it for. So I have to resize the image to fit in what I want, and that is when I get to this part. So without wasting much, so let us dive into business. So the first thing to do here is to come down to my layer or click on F7 to bring out the layer panel. Click on it. As you can see, I've already clicked on it. So and I'll come down to choose panel, and I'll locate the crop tools. As you can see, I'll locate the crop tool, and I'll come down to this panel, scroll. All I want, you can as well play around with any size of your choice, but what I want is scroll flyer or scroll shade size. Boom. Yeah, but I want it to like cover up some parts, and to achieve that I just have to click on this, drag it. I will hold on my mouse, I will drag it. Well, I think this is okay for me. Yeah, that is okay. So now I'll come down to this mark, I'll click on it. Boom. As you can see, so the next thing to do here is to come down to my marquee tools, click on it, and I will make a selection. But please be very careful with the selection you want to make. So make sure that your selection is perfect. You make a perfect selection. As you can see now, the selection is okay for me. I'll click on my F. So I still selected it. I've already selected it actually. So the next thing to do here is to click on Ctrl T. As you can see, Ctrl T on your keyboard. So I have to reduce the size. You have to reduce the size so that it can work perfectly for what you want to use it for. And please take note of this. I will hold down my Shift key, place my arrow on this dot, and drag. As you can see, click on OK. I have to bring my image back. Now click on Ctrl D. Boom. As you can see, that is that. So thanks so much for watching my video, and please, if you're watching this video now, you have not yet to subscribe, just kindly click on the subscribe button so that whenever I have a new video like this, you can get notified. Thank you. Love you.